you.
You, hot damn.
You're beautiful. Look at you.
How do you feel?
I feel good. How do you feel?
Oh, like $1 million.
You should.
Yeah.
Look at your sparkles,
Yeah.
baby.
Oh, surprise.
I love you. Kelsey, walking up to me on our first date, your self-assuredness was remarkable. I don't know how I got lucky enough to stand up here with you. I am still in awe of you just like I was on that first date. And I am so happy we get to celebrate our love together today.
Megan, what started as a cup of coffee and a walk around a park has led to a happiness and love I could have never imagined. You keep life fun, interesting, and full of joy. You are one of the bravest people I know, and the big leap you took with me has been an adventure that I have loved from the start. You are the one who sees me for me, who understands both my strengths and my insecurities, and embraces all of them.
Look at you guys. That's amazing. It's amazing, Kelsey. That's really a pretty dress.
I will play with you and our puppy to live a joyful life together. I will encourage you to continue to grow and pursue fulfillment. I will appreciate your beauty for the rest of our lives. I promise this in the safety of the love we share, in the presence of those we love and who love us. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow, I choose you. Love you always.
Megan, you make my life better, brighter, and complete in more ways than I can count. And I promise to love you as hard as I possibly can, always.
By the power vested in me by the state of Missouri, I pronounce you wife, and wife, you may kiss your bride.
To Kelsey and Megan, may your love continue to grow, your adventures be endless, and your laughter be infectious. Here's to a lifetime of intentional planning, patience, and dedication. To the brides, cheers.
My husband and I, we actually just celebrated 8 years of marriage on Tuesday, and I'll say one of the things I found is that the more selfless you are in your marriage, the stronger and more fruitful it will become. And so I just look forward to seeing how you give to your marriage, and I just wish you lots of joy on this next chapter. So cheers.
Kelsey and Megan, may your lives always be filled with happiness and laughter, strength and humility, good health and love. Your mom and I love you both to the moon and back. Thank you.
We're not only here to celebrate the love between Megan and Kelsey, but also to the love and acceptance that we have for them. Together, they will build a future together filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable memories. So please join me in raising your glass. May your love continue to shine brightly, and may your journey together be filled with endless happiness and love. Cheers.